again, we're on our way somewhere car related. One of the guys is opening his garage, and in order for us to show support, we're going to pull up heavy. So stay tuned, and like, share, comment, and subscribe. Package has been secured. Everybody's going mad over here. Hey! Charlie, you see the machine? Hey! So you have my machine here, 720. It is me. 720S. This is a Spider. It's been on the channel before. So this is AxB, their grand opening, and they invited us to come through today. Today I dropped the top of mine. Hey. Timsintim. If you keep going on.
Okay, I'll see it. But that's a nice McLaren.
That's a very nice
very
McLaren.
Sexy McLaren. Looks like an arrow.
Looks like a what?
An arrow.
An arrow. So as you know, we drove here with Wolf in his M3, the AMG GT63S. I've had this on the channel before. I like the color on this Panamera. You see this boy, this is car. Deflate his tie for me. This is Lester's friends. Lester's friends. Lester's son. You're not family now, so.
I dey walk real big Lexus in my lane. Then I walk past on red car. Hey, Charlie, that bang. No, in this way. Who would have known?
We have known that they become.
Who would have known?
They become best friends. So I tell them to make it real for me. And he's still going. Yo. That went on for a hot minute actually. What do you do over here? What's happening here? Oh,
Already, you open new garage already. So you already know.
I don't know. You have to tell. You have to tell. You have to.
We open new garage already. It'll be like 1967 when we open. 9 day mind this, and right now it come out.
So this be your new shop. So make boys come service your car for here.
Make it come. Make it come.
If they come, who them for search? Who them for search?
Ato Obuama.
Thank you.
Yeah, you know that. F5 name me Toby.
Hey. Amen.
I'll get a 540 and be a meto.
Kaish. I think so. I think so. But that's an SVR, right?
No green is my favorite color. The color. You won't call me. Look at you.
What's myself around you? Tim. What it do? Charlie, this sounds too good, man. Hey! Can't go wrong with an SVR. If you see this one on the road, don't try.
Don't try. You know why I like his color a lot? It's different.
Yep.
We've seen gray, we've seen black, we've seen blue. He's the only green.
He's trying to be unique.
Whoa. Yeah, with the gold wheels, yellow DRLs, sexy.